HIV awareness. Standing before you is the very first transgender woman to be elected as barangay official, particularly as SK Tagawa at Barangay Batasan Hills, Quezon City. Known affectionately as Reyna Saint Tablado, Reyna sa serbisyo. My name is Gib Gabiana, and I truly believe that crowns are made up of jewels and rhinestones. Because the truth is, crowns are made up of consistency, determination, and a great trait called courage. I may be wearing the simplest and smallest costume for tonight, but let us all remember that wearing a costume is not just how big, how glamorous, or fabulous your costume is, but it is how you give love, life, and justice to the costume that you are wearing.